So hello everyone, welcome to our vlog. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna bring you to the most amazing, wonderful, nice, and cutest tourist spot here in Bayug, which is the Overview. And I will make sure that everyone will be amazed to the beauty of nature. And since my group mates are not able to come with me, so I will be the one presenting our vlog. So just watch it. Bye. Welcome to Overview! Again guys, welcome to Overview. So this is the first spot. The second spot, which is most people came here just to take photo because it has a beautiful view, and as you can see there are many green trees, many healthy trees. So for the next spot, so this is the third spot. As you can see, it is the same with the first spot and the second spot. You can literally see the whole view of mountains and the rivers. That's it. This is the spot that I really love the most because it has a heart shape and it was made of bamboo, and this spot is very well made. So for the next spot, this is so interesting, and you can smell a fresh air, and look at this view. Cottage here for us to rest or relax ourselves. So being in nature or even viewing scenes of nature reduces fear, anger, stress, and increases pleasant feelings. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, but it contributes to your physical well-being. Blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. It may even reduce mortality according to scientists such as public health researchers. In addition, nature helps us cope with pain because we people are genetically programmed to find trees, water, plants, and other elements engrossing. We are absorbed by nature scenes and distracted from our pain. So as you can see, there are no damages here because the view are filled with green trees and a lot of plants, and if and only if there are damages, we can solve it by planting another trees. And that's all for today's vlog, and thank you. Bye.